If you forgot your Instagram password, you can still delete your account permanently by simply following these steps. And here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the profile section. Now, once on your profile, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the account center at the top. Inside account center, tap on your profile. Scroll down and there you can see personal details option available. Tap on it. Inside personal details, tap on the account ownership and control option available there. Then tap on the deactivation or deletion. Then tap on your profile. Then from the two options deactivate and delete, tap on the delete. Then continue. Now select the reason you are deleting your account for. Choose any. Now here all you have to do is tap on the forgot password option available there. Then an email verification will be sent to your email account, and all you have to do is check your Gmail and simply tap on it and verify your account, and your account will be deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.